Well, while the weather is not cooperating, we're going to work on the rear gas tank for the 79 Ford. Got to get rid of the rust, prime it, and paint it so that we can get it back on the truck. Let's do it. Got primer on the bottom half of the tank. Let that dry and then get at least, well, I'm gonna get a coat on the bottom tonight. And then we'll see if I can get 2 coats on it tonight. I'm gonna do at least 2 coats, maybe even 3 of the gloss black, same paint that I'm using for the frame. Yummy, that smells good. And that's a lie. Gear oil is stinky. Tavish has taken off the front drive linkage so that we can replace the seal. But we don't have the exact size of socket. We're going to take that nut in with us and buy a socket. But we're getting creative to get it off, because when in Rome, that's what you got to do. Good job, kid.
Thanks.
Attaboy. Keep at it. It'll fall off eventually. Tavish has taken off all of the fuel lines so that we can replace those so we know they're good. Have good seal on everything. We're also going to use the compressor to force air through the line that goes to the front. He's already taken off the front edge. Oh, we got fuel, so that's a good sign. All right. All right, well, let's force some air through it and see what we get. That's awesome. All right, so Tavish has the air hose. You're gonna blow right into that one right there. So it's got a rubber tip on it so that he can get a good seal there. I'm gonna go to the front and don't do dumb stuff. I got eye goggles on. This probably isn't super smart, but I want to see what comes out of the front end. So let's see. Don't do dumb stuff, right? Okay, go ahead, Tavish. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. I don't know if you could see in there, but it came out. We're gonna scope out the rest of this. Get some coats of paint on these bad boys. We'll let them dry while we run to the store real quick. Got some stuff we gotta get. Let's go to the store. Spend some money. All right, me and Tavish both have to go to work right now, so we're actually gonna be late, both of us. Here's the status update. We got the drive line disconnected. Got to get that front knuckle out of there so that we can replace the seal. The seal is on order, part is coming in. Got the rear cap removed. I've got it in the garage. We've got it primed, waiting for paint. Put the rear tank back in, got all new fuel lines to all of the things. We tested our switch. Our switch is working. That's the front to back rear tank switch that's in the cab. That works, so that's good. But we're out of time, so gotta close this down for now. Probably the end of this video, I would guess. Probably. So anyway, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss the next updates. In the next one, we're gonna try to get this truck running, get the driveline attached, gear oil in the back, paint the rear axle so that that's done and pretty as well. Do some cleanup underneath the hood, and then we'll be ready to start on the interior as well. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll check you guys later.